Hey there, little learners! Welcome to another fantastic math exploration with your favorite fuzzy friend, Yeti Confetti. Before I tell you this episode's big idea, let's take a moment to revisit a fantastic skill we've conquered together, adding two numbers together using the strategy of counting up. Remember, counting up is like taking a magical step forward from any given number. It's an incredible skill that lays the foundation for mastering addition. Whether it's adding tasty cookies or friendly snowflakes, counting on helps us solve problems with ease. Let's do a quick recap. If we want to add, say, 12 and 3, we start with the bigger number, which is 12. Then we count onwards. 13, 14, 15. See how simple that was? It's like stepping stones to the answer. Now then, today we're diving deep into the world of addition again, but with a cool twist. This episode's big idea is finding unknowns in addition problems. Yay! Instead of knowing all the numbers, we have to uncover the mysterious unknown number in the main part of our problem. It's like solving a puzzle, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Are you excited to become math chefs and cook up some hidden unknown numbers? I know I am. Now let's join our friends, Max Marvel and Carrots the Bunny, in the kitchen. Today they're baking some yummy treats for their friends and need your help. Let's put on our chef hats and see what they're up to, shall we? Yeti, yeah!
Hey there, Max Marvel here with my friend Carrots. Today we're baking some yummy chocolate chip cookies for our friends. But uh-oh, looks like we're short on ingredients. Time to sprinkle some math magic to help us out.
Let's dive into the numbers and make some yummy treats.
First up, eggs. We've got 7 eggs in the bowl already, and we need a total of 12 eggs. Now, one cool strategy to find the unknown number is counting up. Alright, let me count it out. We've got 7 eggs, so after that we need 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 5 more after 7, so we need just 5 more eggs. 7 eggs plus 5 eggs is equal to 12 eggs. Just how many we need? Sweet. Now what about sugar? We've got 2 cups in the bowl here, and the recipe says we need 8 cups total. How many cups of sugar should we pour, Carrot?
Let me think. If we have 2 cups of sugar already, and we need to have 8 cups of sugar total, let's count up. After 2 we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 6 more after 2, so we need to add 6 more cups of sugar. 2 cups of sugar plus 6 cups of sugar is equal to 8 cups of sugar.
Nice job, Carrots! Now, onto our chocolate chips. We've got 5 chocolate chips in the bowl, and the recipe says we need 20 chocolate chips. How many more chocolate chips do we need to add?
Wow, that's a lot of chocolate chips.
I know this one is going to be harder to figure out, but I know we can do it, Carrots. Let's try a different strategy to find the unknown.
What's the new strategy, Max?
Well, you see, Carrots, we can actually find the unknown of this addition problem by transforming it into a subtraction problem.
Wow, really?
Yeah! We start with our addition problem of 5 chocolate chips plus an unknown number of chocolate chips equals 20 chocolate chips. In this situation, the number of chocolate chips we have and the unknown number of chocolate chips are parts in our addition problem, and the total number of chocolate chips we need is the whole of our addition problem. We can find the unknown number by taking the whole and subtracting the part from it that we already know. So we'll transform 5 plus the unknown equals 20 into 20 minus 5 equals the unknown.
That's so cool. 20 minus 5 is equal to 15, so that means the unknown must be 15.
Hooray! Great job, Carrots. You figured it out. Now that we have all our ingredients, we can bake our chocolate chip cookies for our friends. Thanks for joining us on our mathematical baking adventure today. Until next time, this is Max Marvel and Carrots, signing off.
Yeti, yeah! Hey there again, little learners. Hope you all enjoyed our incredible baking adventure with Max Marvel and Carrots the Bunny. Wasn't that a blast? we learned some fantastic strategies for finding unknown numbers in addition problems while whipping up some delicious treats in the kitchen. Max and Carrots showed us not just one, but two awesome strategies to help us with our addition problems. First off, counting up, a magical way to find those sneaky unknowns. Just like climbing to the top of a mountain, we started from a given number and counted onwards, reaching the summit of the answer. And then, we discovered the power of related subtraction, turning our addition equations into subtraction by figuring out the part from the whole. So, the next time you're faced with a math mystery, remember to use these cool strategies. Whether you're adding eggs, sugar, or chocolate chips, you've got the tools to crack the code. I hope you had as much fun as Max Marvel, Carrots, and I did on this math-filled adventure. Keep exploring the magical world of numbers, and don't forget to have a blast with math. Until our next adventure, stay curious, stay creative, and keep rocking with math. Goodbye, little learners.